Hello and welcome to pH Biology. Today's explainer is the compensation point, the moment when a plant's photosynthesis exactly matches its respiration and there's no net gas exchange with the air. By the end of this video, you'll know what's happening and when it occurs. The compensation point is the light intensity at which a plant's rate of photosynthesis exactly equals its rate of respiration. The plant produces oxygen at the same rate it uses it. It consumes carbon dioxide at the same rate it releases it. There is no net exchange of gases with the environment. Three things. One, both processes are happening simultaneously. They don't stop, they just cancel out. Two, below the compensation point, respiration outpaces photosynthesis, so the plant is a net consumer of oxygen. Three, above the compensation point, the plant is a net producer of oxygen. Common slip. At the compensation point, photosynthesis hasn't stopped. It's just equal to respiration. And remember, plants respire day and night. They only photosynthesize in the light. The compensation point is where the two processes are exactly equal in rate. Quick example, at dawn or dusk, light intensity is low. If light is just enough for photosynthesis to match the plant's constant rate of respiration, you've reached the compensation point. Lower light, plant uses more oxygen than it makes. Higher light, plant becomes a net producer of oxygen. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.